The Morrison clan's history is a testament to the intricacies of Gaelic names and the challenges of anglicization. The name Morrison is believed to have distinct origins, with ties to both the Hebrides and the mainland. The Gaelic name Mhuire evokes images of bards and guardians of holy relics, but it also encapsulates the struggles faced when Gaelic names are anglicized, leading to potential misunderstandings of their true origins. In the windswept landscapes of the Hebrides, the Morrison clan's roots found fertile ground. From the Morisons to the legacy of Ghille Mhuire, a servant of the Virgin Mary, the Hebridean Morrisons navigated treacherous waters, shipwrecks, and interclan conflicts. The legacy of St. Columcille's relics, the alliances with the Macleods, and the trials faced against aggressive neighbors paint a vivid picture of their resilience in the face of adversity. The history of the Morrisons is intertwined with that of other powerful clans, particularly the Macleods and the Mackenzies. Marriages, alliances, and conflicts with these clans became defining chapters in the Morrison saga. The Morrison clan's involvement in the battles between the Macleods and Mackenzies reflects the complexities of loyalty and the pursuit of power. On the mainland, a separate branch of the Morrison clan emerges, far removed from their Hebridean kin. The name Morrison is derived from the Norman name Morris, meaning dark-skinned or swarthy. Despite this distinction, individuals of this lineage distinguished themselves in Scotland and beyond, only coalescing into a formal clan society in the 20th century. The Morrison clan's history is marked by resilience, alliance, and the passage of time. The ebb and flow of power, interclan rivalries, and the complexities of heritage have woven a complex tapestry. The Morrisons' ability to adapt and thrive, even amid the challenges of feuds and changing allegiances, is a testament to their enduring spirit.